just got my Maskcara Beauty Artist kit in, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because look how cute this packaging is so far. I love the mirror that comes on it, like how adorable. There is some of the product, so I'll take it out here and show you guys. Okay, so here we have all of the palettes. There's 19 of them. They each have their own little cute design on it. This one's got little pink flamingos, which is perfect because this is a lip and cheek color. This one is called Pink Grapefruit, and it's got all of the ingredients listed on the back of the makeup. And here we have 3 of the compacts. We have the larger one and 2 smaller ones. These ones are perfect to put it in your purse. So here, I'll show you guys. You've got a little mirror and the second layer. I'll grab one of the smaller ones here and show you guys. So right there. So all this is magnetic. So you will just take whatever color you're choosing for that day, and you'll take your palette here, slip off the lid, and pop it in. Look at how easy, like you just put in your few colors, and this is all you need to take with you for the day. So I like that. And I already took out one of the brushes, but look how shiny and pretty. I love it's got like the rose gold and gold in the middle. It's really good quality brushes. I've been working with these for a little bit and I cannot complain about anything about those brushes. I've got here, it comes with the little perfector. I've never used this one before, but I'm excited to try it out. And underneath here, I decided to hop on and record a voiceover for this part because I was reading those and I wasn't too sure exactly what everything was. So basically it was just a bunch of pamphlets and information about the product and how to use it. Maskcara Beauty promises toxic-free product that simplifies makeup and brings out your natural beauty. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Here in this magazine, there was some before and after pictures and what products were used and where to apply it. If you are interested in learning more about this, I'll provide a link below. I'll also provide a link if you wish to be color matched. To quickly show you guys what I got in my kit. I'm more excited to be actually using the makeup and creating different looks and sharing with you guys. So if you want to see more and learn more about this line, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.